Hi, welcome at sennder Moerdijk. Let me show you where the action happens and where we dispatch our fleet of close to 300 trucks.
We are awake before the world is awake. This means that actually the operation staff will start between 7 and 7:30 each morning to collect the updates from our entire fleet and to make sure that all the necessary changes already have been made before the client even arrives at his office.
Working at sennder Moerdijk is every day a new challenge. There is not one day that will go the same as the previous day. It's a devoted and very dedicated team that works closely together. It's not an individual job, but it's really a team effort that we do here.
Sometimes when you work with people, you are not having a connection really. But I think with everyone here, you can feel that it's like family almost. You work, but there's always time for jokes, to have a little conversation, to eat together, to go outside when the weather is nice.
We are the market leader of the Benelux for the transport facilities and services to France. And we are also very flat. There is not a big hierarchy. Like okay, I'm a director, but I'm still Nick. And we have a mix with older people, with younger people, with experienced people, with starters, etc. But there is also a lot of fun. And people are also taking care of each other.
Future employees should bring to Moerdijk a great team spirit, logistical knowledge, think out of the box, don't hesitate to work on a problem but see it as a challenge to find a solution for as well the shipper and the customer side.
You're having a lot of possibilities to develop yourself. They are giving you the opportunity to learn. If you're working, let's say, in the administration, but you're feeling that you want to go to another department, they will help you with that too. So there are a lot of options.
I would recommend to join sennder because, look around. Nice office, nice vibe, excellent colleagues, and we do a great job. And it's lovely to be a sennder.
If you really want to kick your career and you want to grow in your function, we have here the environment inside the sennder group. The facilities, the tools actually, and also the people with the correct experience to guideline you through this journey that you finally can achieve what you want.